तो हे गाइस स्वागत है सबैजनालाई आजको मेरो पार्ट 1 मा गर्न गइरहेको छु म सोल्डर वर्कआउट। घरमा सोल्डर कसरी बनाउने आज म भन्छु। पहिलो नम्बरमा गर्ने छौं हामी डम्बल, ठीक है। 3 सेट हान्ने छौं हामी, 15 या 20 रे 3 सेट, ओके। 1
But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. He be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying and chalk. I really hate the truth, but I gotta know. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G that little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. यो भयो हाम्रो दोस्रो वर्कआउट। अब हामी खाना गइरहेको छु तेस्रो वर्कआउट, ठीक है। तेस्रो वर्कआउटमा हामी के हान्ने छौँ भनेपछि डम्बल। Got my 10 in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a loped out gangster, set tripping banker, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? 10 यो भयो हाम्रो तेस्रो वर्कआउट। अब हामी गइरहेको छु चौथो वर्कआउट। चौथो वर्कआउट एन्ड लास्ट वर्कआउट। 4 वर्कआउट काफी है। लास्ट वर्कआउट ये हमारा the money and the power, minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen, but I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool. इसका मानना है हमने 3 सेट और 15-20 रेप्स, ठीक है। तो घर पे शोल्डर बनाना है तो ये 4 वर्कआउट मार लेना, काफ़ी है ये 4 वर्कआउट शोल्डर के लिए, ठीक है। चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, लाइक कर देना। लव यू गाइस।